Okay, I'm gonna go over the two-step process for getting into the lateral standing poses, okay? So let's use the mat here as a tool, which it is, and I want you to stand facing this long edge of your mat, and then separate your legs and stand with half of your foot actually on the rubber and half of the foot more or less off the rubber, okay? So the front edge of your mat here is dissecting your foot. It's dissecting, yeah, your foot. It's maybe closer to the front edge of my arch there, in half, dissecting the foot in half. Okay, then this long edge of your mat, this is what I consider the front of the pose, okay? I'm turning my head here to look at you, but I want you to have this angle so you can really see what my feet are doing. Your front of the pose is in the same direction as this long side of the mat, okay? Now on your right foot, turn your right foot halfway out, so 45 degrees to the right, like so. Then pick your heel up and now swivel the heel forward so that you land with the center part of your heel just on that front edge of the mat. So now the edge of the mat is dissecting your foot long ways, right? There's the big toe side of the foot and the small toe side of the foot. Got it? Okay, take the foot back, face forward, and let's do that again. Okay? Right now, the mat is dissecting your foot from front to back. There's the toe mound side and the heel side. Now, turn that right foot out again, 45 degrees. Lift the heel up, swivel the heel forward so that the mat is dissecting your foot with a right side and a left side. Okay, from the center of your heel towards the second toe. That's where the line of the mat should go. Now, if you look down, you'll see your right heel should line up almost with approximately the big toe mound of your left foot. And this is nice alignment to work with in these standing poses. Okay, it's not to say it can't be done another way. There are many ways to work with standing poses, but this two-step process I find is a nice gateway into the hip. And so that's why I'm very specific about it, and I encourage students to work like that, at least at the beginning, until you get really, really good here, good access into the hip socket. Okay, those of us who work with a vulnerability in the lower back or the hip, this is really, really important, really key. Okay, one more time, facing, let's go for the left side. So facing the long edge of the mat here, turn the left foot out, halfway, and then the toe mound stay glued, lift the heel up, swivel it. Now dissect that foot from the center of the heel to the second toe. Turn that leg out. Good. All right, and then bring it back. Okay, you can join your legs, give yourself a minute, and pause. Now, actually, I would like one more experiment while I have you here. Okay, so again, separate your legs, and just to compare so that you understand I'm not being specific for the sake of being specific. Everything has a reason. But if you just take here your right leg, pick a leg, but I'll say right for right now, and just turn it out. Go 90 degrees out. Turn it out. And feel the response here in the buttock and hip area. Turn it back. Okay, one more time. Turn it out. Feel what's going on. All right, now do it with this two-step process. Okay, turn the right foot halfway. Lift the heel. Swivel, swivel, swivel. Bring the heel in line with the mat there. That's it. Now feel what's happening in the buttock hip region. Can you feel a difference? Right? This is the engagement that I'm talking about. Okay, there you go. That's the two-step process.